In this video, we will walk you through the application management features in Axiom Protect. From editing custom applications to refining access control policies, we'll explore how to ensure seamless integration with your custom server while maintaining robust security and audit tracking. Let's begin. Start by navigating to the Applications section within Axiom Protect. Locate the custom application you want to modify, and in the Action column, click on Edit Application. This allows you to modify the configuration of the existing custom application, tailoring settings to meet your specific requirements for access control and enhancing security with custom server integration. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, click Save Changes to apply the updates. To review or track changes, you can utilize the audit functionality. Click on Show Audit to access a detailed audit log. Here, you can view information such as IP addresses, categories, item types, actions, results, timestamps, and new values associated with application activities. If needed, you can also delete the application from this section. The audit log provides critical insights into system usage and ensures accountability. Policies play a vital role in managing application access. Within the Application section, navigate to Policy to view the associated policies. If adjustments are needed, click on Edit Policy. Once changes are made to areas such as user pre-registration, device onboarding, or server onboarding, ensure that you save each update. This maintains a seamless and secure user experience while integrating with your custom environment.
In the Access Control tab under Server Onboarding, make any necessary changes to enforce your security requirements. Similarly, in the Network and Security tab, adjust configurations to bolster your application's defenses. Don't forget to save changes after every update to preserve these critical settings. Application management in Axiom Protect offers a comprehensive suite of tools for customizing, securing, and auditing your applications. By refining configurations, adjusting policies, and maintaining robust access control, you can ensure your applications are well integrated and secure. This concludes our guide on application management. Thank you for watching.